tap me and pussy. Kawa. How me can tap me and pussy? Pussy do? You say pussy? Sweet. How comes pussy?
Then.
Me over this hour I can hear talk about Magnum attack. Where Magnum attack?
Oh, I say I want a freak now.
Why?
I'm Magnum attack in my tail.
So you want it?
Right now, man.
Where do you forget it? Let's try to manage it.
Me?
Yeah.
Why I can't fuck me sucky? Boy! Boy!
Give out, where is it?
Boy!
Where is it we can do?
I can't fuck me sucky.
Wait, one time too.
Eat a rider. If the dick is weak, use a beak. You can't waste your face, see? You must know your tackle it, you know.
Yeah, like a ball game.
Yeah, man, whether football or cricket ball or netball or basketball.
Or volleyball.
Mhm.
You must know your tackle.
You must know your tackle. But me know me a tackle.
So now if I see a fine and put it by your dirty face.
Now me buy a pack for $200, 5 in the pack.
Yeah, but I see you take up that out of gravel leap a while ago.
Me not use it this
I
morning.
never see it.
Well, use a fucking liar then. Oh God, man.
You never see it? Yeah.
Magnum,
Tonic wine.
tonic wine. So Mark Panny, Magnum, tonic wine.
Yeah.
This is a woman and a man.
Woman and man the pani.
But right now is me alone standing to blood clot.
So woman and the man do pani.
You make love?
Mm.
Come on, breast and stiff. Almighty. Boy. Go on. Listen.
I'll be a fucking mountain.
Here, Mouty, ha.
Ugly man tell you first night you pushing your mouth. He's on your mouth, you will like fever.
Like coming on your minute, no wood. That pussy class like that. It's not so good. No, sir. I don't care. I don't run
Me
you,
for run down
Marjorie.
woman in a look woman in.
Yeah, you are running me down.
Yeah, run you down. Me for run you down.
So why you running me down?
Because he's a girl and he's a boy.
Oh, so girl and boy go together?
Yes.
Well, not this one because I'm happily married. Leave me alone in Jesus' name.
Jesus, that. I told Jesus that.